Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me. In this video, I want to show you guys this Rabigala anti-fog snow sport goggles. Wow, this looks really nice. The color of this lens is called Revo. This also comes in two other colors, blue and silver. The elastic strap feels durable and comfortable, and it's fully adjustable. The lens is easily detachable, which is held by strong magnets, making it easy to change lens at any time. On the adjustable strap, there is an anti-slip grip. The frame is super strong and durable, built to last. These goggles are compatible with any snow helmet. On the inner side of the lens has an anti-fog coating. It helps to prevent fogging even in hot steam. Now I will show you the difference on the other side. In addition to anti-fog coating, the design of the goggles has air vents on the top and bottom of the frame to ensure fog-free vision. Not only that, the padding feels soft and comfortable.